Hi, and welcome to another short air engine research video. Oh, by the way, I'm getting more thumbs up since I ask everyone to let me know if you like what I'm doing. Thanks. This morning, with the help of my son and son-in-law, we put the 6-cylinder compressed air engine in my APC, or my air-powered car. I don't have an air tank for the car yet, and none of the controls or air lines are there either. So it was run with an air hose from a propane tank outside the garage. The engine has sat around for about 6 years, so I expected some problems, and the piston seals are leaking, so it's not running right. It does run though, and it moved in and out of the garage on its own today, so that's good. The things I need to do now will take some time to figure out, and I need some way to control air input from the tank to the engine, like an accelerator pedal. And I also need some way to change the number of cylinders when it's running back and forth from 6 to 3 cylinders and then back maybe again to 6. It may be a while, but when I can, I'll post more information and videos to keep you up to date. Well, thanks again everyone for following along, and until next time, so long.